You- Pull it all the way over there. Just pull it to the front. Pull it to the front. That'll be better. Yeah, just take it all the way to the front. Out the dirt. We need a what? Oh, no what? Okay, we need to just charge it up. Let's get it on charge. I got the generator in the back of the truck.
And you didn't bring the extra other batteries?
No. I got two, one for each one, so we charge that one up.